Guangdong YIREN sandwich production line. The sandwich production line with 9 sets of machines. 2 sets of toast slicers. 1 set conveyor machine. 1 set 3D sandwich machine. 1 set spread pork floss machine. 1 set finishing machine. 1 set triangle cutter machine. 2 sets of bagging machines. Capacity about 6,000–9,000 PCS 1 hour. Slicer cuts sandwiches manually into the slicing machine. Through the slicing machine. 3+ to sandwich machine. Meat fluffing machine. And finally hand-assisted into the packaging machine. Sanitary design with 300 for stainless steel and food-grade conveyor belt for food contact parts. Man-machine interface. Convenient and quick parameter setting. Welcome to order.